to study alone or in groups. Hello, my name is Leo. Today I will tell you why I prefer studying alone than studying with a group. I don't like studying with a group because we can't concentrate more than studying alone. Also, we can play and talk with friends when we study with group. I will tell you why I prefer to study alone. First of all, when we study alone, we don't have disturbing substance except computer or book. But when we study with group, we can be disturbed because talking or playing or gaming with friends or seeing YouTube with friends. This can be harmful to us when we study in examination period with a group. We can make test score very low. Secondly, I like studying alone because I can listen to music when I study alone. This makes me feel more comfortable. But when we study with my friends, we can't listen to music because I have to answer my friends' talk. This is why I prefer studying alone. Thank you for listening.